Unlock the full potential of your Canon EOS R6 Mark II and start capturing breathtaking content right out of the box. First, power up your camera by inserting a fully charged battery. Align the battery correctly, ensuring it clicks securely into place. Then close the battery door until it latches. Next, insert your SD card. Locate the card slot, push the card in gently until it clicks, and ensure the label faces the correct way to avoid damage. Once powered on, you'll likely see the initial setup screen. Navigate using the joystick or directional pad to set your language, date, and time. This is crucial for accurate file management. Now, let's personalize your settings. Press the Q button to access the quick control screen. From here, you can swiftly adjust exposure compensation, ISO, and white balance, essential for adapting to different lighting conditions. For more in-depth customization, dive into the main menu here. You'll find options to fine-tune your autofocus settings, image quality, and video resolutions. Take time to explore these to match your shooting style. Finally, take advantage of the custom shooting modes, C1, C2, and C3. Assign frequently used settings combinations to these modes for instant recall, saving valuable time on location and letting you focus on the creative shot. With these essential steps, your Canon EOS R6 Mark II is now properly configured and ready to capture stunning images and videos. Get out there and create.